What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another real quick install for you. In this box I've got the last Chrome Delete mod for my 2016 Toyota Tacoma. And anybody that knows me knows I hate chrome on probably 95+% of vehicles on the road. Very few cars look good with chrome, and they're typically classic cars. So my Tacoma essentially has no more chrome. The last bit of chrome I have is sitting in this box in my hand, and I'm still recovering from carpal tunnel surgery, so I'm having a hard time gripping everything. So let me get in the truck and I'll show you how we're going to delete the last bit of chrome we have. All right, so now that we're in our truck, the last bit of chrome that I have to delete in my truck is the door handles. They're the only bit of chrome left, and these right here are from AJT Design, and these are just handle covers. Of course, I had to get them in red to match the rest of my accessories in here, but definitely one of the biggest things I've been trying to get rid of for a while. Finally just bit the bullet, grabbed them. They were cheap, and they're super easy. I should be able to do this one-handed. I'm gonna attempt to do it one-handed and try to film it for you guys, since I have very limited use of this hand. Swelling's better and I can finally grip things, but still pretty uncomfortable. So let's get to it and let's see how easy this quick install is. All right, so here's the last bit of ugly chrome, and essentially they just clip over the top. Stand by. All right, because of my one-handed issue, just slides on the top and push it in nice and snug, and it clips in. When you hear the clip, it's in. Not a bad looking chrome delete mod. Doesn't affect the function of the door. Looks decent. So we'll get the other three on now and have no more chrome. And all of my accents are from the same AJT design. So I've done the whole entire interior minus those handles. And in the package, there are two for the front facing and two for the rear. It's just the cutouts are slightly different, so just that should be pretty self-explanatory. But I pulled it out and I kind of dipped the tip in, and that way as you push it in, it clips right in nice and easy. So it's a very straightforward piece. Just gotta lock the tip in here. Probably our least used handle. So drop the dip down, push that in, slide it forward. So easy, you can do it one-handed, and it's my weak hand. Boom, done. All right, thank you for watching that quick and easy install. The last of my chrome is finally out of that truck, and it's only been 10 years of getting rid of all the chrome, but I'm very excited to finally have the chrome done and be gone. So really not a whole lot of mini mods I'll probably do to this truck. Pretty much maxed out everything I'm going to do. I have got a little bit to do with the roof next. New awning for the showers going on it. Got to get the actual shower water container on there and the two boxes. But we're heading out to do a trip in a couple days in that camper. So stand by for that. But this is just going to be sitting like this for another month until my hand heals up enough to be able to finish those projects. Once those are done, we've got a July trip planned for camping. So until the next one, see you on the trail.